Hi students, welcome to this course, PLC Automation, an introduction to programmable logic controller. I am Professor Yao. A paper mill. The keywords: a paper mill, finished paper, a paper machine, the finished roll, produce the required pulse, actuate the high-speed printhead, one scan. In a paper mill, a finished paper comes out of a paper machine to the finished roll. A roll number is to be printed on one edge at intervals. It determines that the number should be printed once every 12 seconds. The PLC circuit shown in figure 9.8 will produce the required pulse to actuate the high-speed printhead. The timer T013 is set at 12 seconds. When the paper machine is turned on in 005 closed. With the timer input in 005 on, the timer runs for 12 seconds. After 12 seconds, the timer goes on. Its output actuates the printhead. The timer then, after 1 second immediately, one scan immediately shuts itself off through the opening of the T013 normally closed contact in the timer enable line. Once time 013 goes off, it resets the enable contact to closed, and the 12-second timing cycle is repeated. When the paper roll is complete and the machine is shut down, in 005 is shut off. This picture shows the PLC timer program and the timing diagram for post-repetitive timer. A one-shot system example. The keyword: one shot. An alarm is to sound to alert personnel. The fifth example shown in figure 9.9 is a one-shot system. An alarm is to sound for 17 seconds after the machine is started to alert personnel in the area that the machine has been started. The alarm goes on when the machine is started. The alarm stays on for 17 seconds even if the input is turned off during the 17-second timing period. The machine could be coasting down in 0011 must be opened to reset the system. This picture shows the PLC timing program and the timing diagram for the one-shot timer operation. An alternating two-output system example. The keywords: an alternating two-output system, a warning light system, a single flashing light, two alternating lights, the master on-off control. The sixth example is an alternating two-output system shown in figure 9.10. For example, you have a warning light system on a machine to indicate it is running. A single light on or a single flashing light is not deemed sufficient. You want two alternating lights. Output control relay 11 and a control relay 12 control two lights. The two lights alternate every 1/2 or 5/10 of seconds for the timer in the tenses timer. To change the times to other equal or non-equal times, reset the control value CV values in the timer functions. In 001 is the master on-off control. The picture shows alternate flasher system. And this is the timing diagram. A time delay on for two outputs with respect to the start of a sequence example. The keywords: hydraulic press, change the timer, a fixture, actuator. There are two ways to accomplish a time delay on, both of which are shown in figure 9.11. In the diagram on the left, both time intervals start at the same time, and one delays 7 seconds and the other 12 seconds. The diagram on the right accomplishes the same thing, but change the timers. The second time delay is accomplished by adding 5 seconds to the first 7 seconds for resulting time delay of 12 seconds. Multiple time delay on can be accomplished by appropriately adding more timers. An industrial example of this process would be that a metal bar is held in a fixture and shaped by 3 hydraulic press operations. Close in 001 to start, hydraulic press A, control relay 017, press in and stays in the press position. After 5 seconds, a second hydraulic press actuator B, control relay 18, press in from another direction and hold position. Finally, a third press actuator C, control relay 19, comes in from a third direction and holds position. Opening in 1, release all 3 press so the part may be removed. This picture shows the PLC program for dual on delay 2 schemes. Homework: handwriting all keywords and submitting them to course Facebook. Just do the online quiz, and see you next time.